So I bought another 3D printer. It's so great. Alright. So the only problem with this one technically is that the power supply blew out. So I was able to get this $160 off because the power supply is broken. Now I work for the store that I bought this from, and they wanted me to check it out to see if I could fix it so we can put it on demo. Sadly we couldn't. And so they wanted me to check it and see how I can do this. And so when I thought about buying it, I would need to make sure it worked. We didn't have any available power supplies, but if you run one of the motors back and forth, like right now the fans are starting to spin. But if I run it for a long time, the lights will actually come on. So I know that the entire printer is functioning fine, it just has a bad power supply. Because when you plug it up, the transformer gets hot inside the power supply and took the entire thing apart. I'm pretty sure it's a blown fuse. But regardless, I have a good printer and I got it for real cheap, and I have the extra power supplies in my toolbox. So in my box of crazy parts, I have 2 of these. All I need to do is pretty much just put another one of these in the printer, and then I'm all set and ready to go. But this is the power supply right here. It kind of is just wedged in place. So all you have to do is just kind of pull down and it gets removed right there. Take the screwdriver as well and undo these screws attached to the printer. Pull this out. And so this is a bad power supply. I'm going to put this back in the parts because I probably can use this. I'm going to score it though. It's time to put a good one back in there. Now to wire it the exact same way, ground, neutral, and live. So before I even try this out, I want to make sure that this power supply is working. And this green LED didn't come on in the last one. So I know that this power supply and the wiring's good. Before I jam it up in there, I'm going to plug the ground and the positive leads in before I actually, screw everything back together. So I just put it back together and power on. It works! Wait, hold on. Alright, so there was a little short, I'm assuming from the Arduino, but power supply kicked back in. It's at 110, lights are on, and the Arduino's working and everything, so time to put it back in. And there we go. So now I'm going to put the fan back in, and in less than 10 minutes, I have 2 working 3D printers.
Now I can do a quality test from the stock version and the customized version. I've been thinking about that for the longest time.
And I've been trying to figure out, well, what's the best way to go about this? And I was like, oh, I could just buy another 3D printer, but what if I ever come across a situation where I buy another 3D printer? Oh yeah, today.
You should make this one of those like super zoomed up parts, so it's like.
Dude, and feel how smooth this rod is.
I did.
Oh my god! It's amazing!
Give us your current thoughts and feelings.
I'm fucking excited.
Well, you opened this up with, and it's awesome.
I know, but I'm just gonna bleep that out, or just take it out.